Experience mountain living at its finest in this beautifully renovated lodge. Perfectly positioned on a flat lot with sweeping views in every direction. This property is a rare find, offering an additional lot for expansion or the potential to build a new rental unit, maximizing your investment. Enjoy peace of mind with a reliable generator, a strong well, and a new conventional septic system. Recent updates include stylish new flooring throughout, enhancing the home's inviting atmosphere. The detached garage, connected by a covered walkway, features a convenient laundry room, bathroom, and a charming outdoor dining bar area. Relax in the brand new covered hot tub on the wraparound deck, taking in the breathtaking scenery. Already a thriving short-term rental for 3 years, this property is being sold fully furnished, complete with its website and booking platform, ready for you to continue its success. Don't miss out this extraordinary opportunity. Schedule your showing today.